So Craig, Bluefish.
Yeah, our big news is we've got a new card that we're launching here at the show. We've had the Epoch product range in the market since April 2009. We're releasing a derivative product now called Epoch Supernova. And it's 4-lane PCIe. It's based on the Epoch design, but we've done some redesign so that we've got 5 B and C connectors on the card, and the four of the B and C's are independent inputs and outputs. It's really important. It's not only a SDI card, but we've diversified into DVB ASI. We've had a customer come out and want to have in one card. A Spanish customer wanted to do away with a 2-card solution they got from 2 different manufacturers, one for DVB ASI and the other one for SDI. Put them in one solution, which is what we've done. Anyway, the card that has the 4 B and C connectors, the Epoch Supernova, 4 of them act as inputs, or 4 of them act as outputs. 5th one's a Genlock. So what we can now do is 4 independent streams in and out of SDI or ASI. Now that's perfect for doing 2 streams of 3D. Use that for 444 3D workflows. Use that for multiple ingest video servers like Eric's using 12. 12 SDIs in one 4U, 2U I think it is, Mac rack-mounted device. So he's putting 3 Epoch Supernovas in there and getting 12 channels of SDI. 422 inputs. Another customer is using 2 simultaneous fill and key outputs for 3D graphics, live sports 3D graphics. So that product is a very flexible OEM product for other developers. It comes with our Linux, Windows and Mac SDKs. And the B and C connectors will do 3G, HD, SD, ASI, LTC or AES EBU in and out. It's released and ready to go in the market in April. Our next product release, our next press release, is the release of 2 new installers up on our website, one for Mac and one for Windows.
Okay.
They are releases for the existing Epoch product range and the Create range, the Create 3D, Create HD and Create 3D Ultra cards. And they're supporting significant upgrades to Final Cut Pro, Adobe CS5 and our Symmetry software. So Symmetry will do 3D I/O now, capture and playback left and right eye. Symmetry's also got standards conversion built into it. You can use it now as an up, down and cross converter. Premiere Pro, we've put in there support for red camera workflows. So the red proxies come in, 2K or 4K proxies, and we can preview them on an SDI monitor in 2K, or 2K for a DVI monitor, HDMI, or 2K or HD. So it's full resolution previews of the offline proxies for red. We support workflows for P2 and for XD Cam as well. So lots of significant free upgrades there for our installed customers and new customers. And for Final Cut Pro, we've got, for the first time, we've got a DPX workflow on Final Cut Pro. You can ingest DPX and play it out as ProRes. So that's what we've been doing for 7 years with Symmetry on the Mac. On Windows, we've now got that same workflow on the Mac. We've also got the same offline red camera workflow on Mac, on Final Cut Pro. Also ARI previews, XD Cam P2 as well.
Okay, so the ARI is the ARI RAW files?
Not ARI RAW, they've been played back as ProRes. I think what happens on the ARI camera is it captures or outputs the ARI RAW, and there's some wrapper in Final Cut Pro or something that will wrap it and play it back as ProRes.
Yep.
So we're playing those files back, same for Red, we're playing it back as ProRes. So that has significantly broadened the number of workflows that we support. I mean, it's taken us from, in our press release, I say, look, most people know us as 444 on Windows, and that's what they've known us for the last 7 years. Now we've got a cross-platform solution extending to Red and ARI, XD Cam and P2, all with a 12-bit processing.
But you're also moving beyond the post arena as well.
Well, I'd say all of that's post, really. It's file-based. What we're supporting, I guess, for the first time is file-based workflows on PC and on Mac. And our last press release is a collaboration with P+S Technik. Do you know the German camera manufacturer?
I do indeed.
They make a 4,000 frame camera. They've got a proprietary format called Weisscam. WEISS Cam, RAW. So we've collaborated with them to be able to put that file format into Epoch and Symmetry.
Okay.
So it's a new DI extended workflow, and we've been sharing the data, and we'll be able to market that to all the Weisscam users out there, all the super high-end post-production facilities around
which
the world.
there are quite a few.
Yeah, so they've got great. They've done a great job of the press release, and they're giving press images to all their customers, and it looks good. So it's a great collaboration. So that'll be available in Q2.
Okay.
So we've done this. We've had a very productive year, Phil. It's in the last 6 or 7 years that I've been coming to the show. This is our most prolific.